Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Letra Z School, Jhansi. Students, today we are going to start 6th chapter of Business Studies of class 11th. The name of the chapter is Social Responsibilities of Business and Business Ethics. Today we will going to discuss about the concept of social responsibility and the cases for social responsibilities. So, what is social responsibilities? The idea of social responsibility is suppose that the corporation has not only economic and legal obligation but also certain responsibility towards society which extend beyond these obligations. Social responsibilities refers to the obligation of businessmen to pursue those policies, to make those decisions, or to follow those lines of action which are desirable in terms of the objectives and value our society. Social responsibility requires manager to consider whether their action is likely to promote the public good, to advance the basic belief of our society, to contribute to its stability, strengthen the harmony. Now, what are the cases for social responsibility? First is self-interest. In the long run, businessmen gain by performing social responsibilities. In present day environment, the expectation of public from business has changed. Second, better environment for business. Social responsibility creates better environment for business operation as social responsibility improves quality of life, living standards. So business will get better society to conduct their business operations. Third is public image. A business can improve its image in public by assuming social responsibilities. Satisfied employees, workers, customers and suppliers contribute in success of business. Fourth is avoidance of government interference. Government intervenence is costly to businessmen and restricts their flexibility and freedom of making decisions. Social power. A business firm has considerably social power. It directly affects the rate of economic growth, employment opportunities, distribution of income, etc. Resources used for moral justification. Business has resources such as money, talent, expertise in technical area, physical and financial resources. The businessman can assist government with these resources in solving problems. For example, business can help in businessman solving the problem of regional disparity by setting up industries in backward or remote regions. Business can help in solving the problems of unemployment by offering employment opportunities. And the last is contribution to social problems. Business has created some social problems such as pollution, creation of unsafe workplaces, discrimination and lots more. There is a moral argument that business has obligation to help in solving social and chronic problems because it is helped in creating those or in perpetuating those problems. Businessmen must take initiative to solve social problems because these are created as a result of business operations and activities. There must be a balance between the power and responsibility. Any imbalance opens the door to irresponsible behavior. The power is given to meet responsibilities. If businessmen avoid it, then some of its power can be withdrawn by the government and social groups. A business firm has a considerable social power for changing the pattern of the society. It directly affects the rate of economic growth of GDP, employment opportunities and redistribution of income. Business has a corresponding responsibility towards the society. Social responsibilities are essentials for avoiding governmental actions against any business operations. If business is satisfying their expectation by assuming social responsibility, then the businessmen can improve their image in the eyes of consumer, employees and other persons who are related directly or indirectly with the business operation. So students, that's all for today for social responsibility, the concept and the case for social responsibility. Thank you and have a nice day.